Hey guys, how are you? This is Chris Mainieri. I'm shooting this quick video for you to show beginner internet marketers and advanced internet marketers how to create high converting squeeze pages in just a couple seconds. Okay, it's very quick and easy. This is actually a method and a tool that I developed for myself because I was kind of tired of creating little HTML pages and kind of editing it and all that stuff. So there's a proven format and like a squeeze page formula that I've found that's worked fantastic. I've gotten up to 75% conversion rate in a couple different niches I've been in using this format, and I've basically translated that into a very unique method of creation. Basically, I found a quick way to create these in just a couple minutes. So whether you're beginning, the really cool advantage here is that you really don't have to go through the technical know-hows of knowing how to use an HTML editor or how to do FTP or all that crazy little junk. You really don't have to do that. If you're advanced, you have the advantage of just pumping out high converting squeeze pages, at lightning like speed. So it's very quick, very cool, very fun. All right. This works off WordPress. Okay, so if you're not familiar with WordPress, I have a very in-depth and quick tutorial in this on my actual site, chrismainieri.com. I'm going to be posting that link below this video. I'm not really going to jump into the mechanics on how to set up a WordPress blog or the sorts. I actually walk you from in the previous video, in the video that I'm posting below this one. I actually walk you from the point of registering hosting account, registering your domain, and setting up your first WordPress site. So if you don't know how to do that, don't worry about it. I have another video. I'm going to take care of you there. If you know how to do a WordPress site, then everything here is going to look extremely familiar. It's going to be extremely simple for you, and you're going to see how powerful this is. Alright, so let's get started. Basically, I'm over here. I just created a very simple WordPress blog just for the sake of example, and basically we're going to be working inside the admin area of this WordPress blog. So let me just jump into the site admin. Okay, it's very quick and easy what I'm going to be showing you guys. All you got to do is when you're inside your WordPress admin area is go to the appearance and make sure you click themes. Okay, once you're there, you want to go and hit install themes. And just a little quick note, if your WordPress administration area happens to look a little different from mine, don't worry, no problem at all. I'm actually using just a beta version, and I just get the nightly builds and stuff like that. Don't worry, you don't need to know this. So just go to the install themes area, and you want to click the upload button right here. Okay, assuming that you downloaded the theme, well, the actual link is below this tutorial. It's actually step 2. Assuming you downloaded that, we're going to go ahead and we're actually going to get that file right now for this step. Okay, so if you haven't gotten the theme that I give you with this video, if you want, you could pause this video right now just by clicking on the video. Go ahead and scroll to step 2, download that, and then we'll continue from there. Alright, you got it? Perfect. So just click browse, and you want to go ahead and navigate to where you downloaded that theme. Alright, you just want to select it and hit open and hit install now. Okay, just let it install. Once it's been installed, all you want to do is hit activate, and you're ready to rock and roll. Just go ahead and under the appearance tab, there's going to be a new option called squeeze page setup options. Go ahead and click that, and this is your squeeze page setup settings. Okay, all you really need to do from here is just follow the steps. It's very simple. Step 1, you could choose your background color. We actually use hex format here, so if you're not familiar with what that is, no problem at all. You could actually click this link right here, and it'll take you to a page where it just shows you the hex codes. For example, 4 zeros is black. Whatever, you just click on on that little link, and it'll show you all the colors and stuff. For now, it's black. I use black personally, so if you don't have to really change this at all. Step 2, just enter your headline here. So I have a headline already set up here, so you can actually see how this looks, right? Okay. You also have the option of selecting a different font for the headline. So if you like Tahoma, Arial, Verdana, New Courier, Times New Roman, any of those, you could actually go ahead and select it. Optional, you could put a sub headline just for the sake of showing you how the squeeze page would look when it's fully set up. I'm gonna go ahead and show you that right here. So sub headline. Okay. You could also choose the font for the subheadline. The teaser text is the benefits area. Basically, if you have a squeeze page set up, to give away a book on some weight loss tips, then obviously, you always want to state the benefits, kind of give the visitor that came to your site a feel of what they're going to be getting if they put their name and email. And the really cool thing here is that you could actually paste in HTML. So if you're an advanced marketer and you just like to really get into the nitty gritty and format that stuff, put nice boxes and stuff like that, you could just paste your HTML. You could actually go ahead and get that all set up in an HTML editor and just get the HTML code, paste it in here, and it'll look fantastic. So I'll just, for the sake of example, I'll put benefit, etc., etc. So alright, anyways, it's kind of messy, but whatever. Alrighty, so you could put some really cool description and stuff like that. You could also change the font for this as well. Over here, you just paste your opt-in code. I personally like to use a JavaScript code. Please note that this step of the box only works with Aweber. So if you don't have Aweber, I have a link actually right here or here where you could sign up for $1, which is pretty cool. And if you're not familiar with what Aweber is, it's basically an autoresponder service that allows you. It's what handles basically the leads and the name and emails that people give you when they sign up on your squeeze page, and basically it's a must if you want to make any money online. So basically, just go ahead and paste your JavaScript code for your Aweber form, right? Okay, then message 2. It's basically under that I like to tell them what's gonna happen once they put their name and email. I just tell them that they'll be redirected to a certain page, blah blah blah. You could put a different font for that as well. Over here, something pretty cool. There's a lot of signature images as well. A lot of people have like their signature as an image format. You have the option of putting that as well on top of your name. So I normally have my signature here. I don't know a link to that right now, but if you would paste the graphic here, actually give me 1 second, I could find that for you. Alright, so I did my little magic and I found the link. Alright, so this is my signature image, okay, and then you can just place your name here. You just put your little signature. That's what I normally like to do. By the way, if at any time you guys don't want to fill any of these forms, if you don't want to put your signature, or you don't want to put a signature image, or you don't want to put a teaser text or anything like that, that's also possible as well. It's not going to look weird or different if you don't do it. It's just going to look a little smaller page. All right, so if you like, a lot of people like simple squeeze pages that just have a headline and an opt-in form, that's fine as well. Okay, that's what I love about this. It gives you the flexibility, whether you're beginner or advanced, to pretty much do whatever you want. Okay, and then of course you could choose the font type for the signature. Let me click the save changes and show you exactly how this looks. Alright, very simple squeeze page. Okay, so we have the Tahoma, the headline would go here, the benefits would go here. Obviously, if you put the HTML, if you put this in HTML editor and you put bullet points, or you put any color font or anything you like, this would appear perfectly, exactly how it looks on the HTML editor. And there's my image and my little signature right here. The only reason I'm scrolling down is I'm actually recording this on a laptop, so it's not that the page is really huge, it's that the laptop screen is kind of small. Alright, so let me actually show you how this looks like if I wanted to make it a little smaller. Okay, let me just delete the sub headline, and I could actually change the font right here. We'll put New Courier. We'll take this out right here, and we will take out my signature. We'll just leave that right there, and we'll hit save changes, and we'll check out my blog. See, there we go. You can make it as cool, complex as you want, or as simple as you want as well, which is pretty fun. The reason I like to use JavaScript from the Aweber form is that you can make changes to the look of this remotely just by logging into your Aweber account and changing the form there. All the changes would be reflected over here, which is pretty fun. And pretty much that's it. From this point on, as you can see, if you look up here, it does say my blog. All you want to do is go ahead and change this by going down over here where it says settings and changing your site title. So if this is you could just name it whatever. I'll just put squeeze page.